Hello CIS scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to do forming numbers, page number 62. So let's start. But before that, in the last session we have done 100 numbers from 100 to 1000. So let us revise that. Hundreds between 100 and 1000. So let's start. This is a block of 100. The first number between 100 and 1000 is 100. Then 200. Then comes 300. Then 400. After 400, 500. 600. 700, 800, 900, and what will be the last one? 1000. If you look these numbers carefully, I have underlined the 100 place value. Can you see it? Here I have underlined 1, here 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here I have underlined 0. And this 1 is at the place value of 1000. Right? So these are the numbers between 100 and 1000. Now let's move to the next slide. Today we are going to study about tens. So tens between 200 and 300. We have to find out the tens number between 200 and 300. So let's start. This is a block of 100. So here it's 1, 2. There are two blocks of 100. So the answer is 200. Here there is no tens and ones. Okay, so the answer is 200, and at the place of tens it is 0 because there is no tens over here, no blocks of tens. Now let's move to the next one. 1, 2. It's a block of 100, and here I am getting one block of tens. So and no ones, because today we are studying only about tens. So here it is 210. At the place value of 10 it's 1, and ones is not there, so I have written over there 0. So 210. Now let's move to the next one. 1, 2. It's a block of 100, and there are two blocks of 100. And after 210, what will be the answer? Let's check. In the tens place value 1, 2. Okay, so here it's a block of 200 and two tens. So, and at ones place there is nothing over there. So it is 220. Now let's move to the next slide. Block of 100, 1, 2. There are two blocks of 100. Let's see how many tens are here. 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be 230. We are talking about tens. If you look here, I have colored this with different number. This is a place of tens, right? So it is 230. After 230, what I am going to get? Let's see. Here there is a block of 100 and there are two blocks of 100. And in tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 230, you will get the answer 240. Now let's move to the next. 1, 2. It's a block of 100. So there are two blocks of 100. And after 100, let's see tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 240, my answer will be 250. Now let's see this one. 1, 2. Two blocks of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is 260. Now let's see the next one. 1, 2. Two blocks of 100. And tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 260, my answer will be 270. Now let's move to the next one. 1, 2, 200. Now the tens, how many we are going to get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 270, my answer will be 280. Are you getting it? Now let's move to the next slide. Okay. Two blocks of 100. And let's see how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What was our previous answer? 280. Now our answer is 290. Right? Now let's see the next one. 1, 2. It's a block of 100 and here there are two blocks of 100. Now let's see how many tens I'm going to get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we cannot write 10 in the place value of 10, right? So here we have 10 blocks of tens. That means 10 tens equals to 100. I repeat, 10 tens equals to 100. I have here tens block. How many? 10. 10 tens equals to 100. So what I have to do is I will remove all the blocks of tens and 10 tens equals to 100. So here there will be a block of 100. So after 290, my answer will be 300. Right? So tens between 200 and 300, there are so many numbers like 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, then 290, and the last is 300. Okay. So now let's move to the next slide. Look at the slide. Tens between 500 and 600. So let's start. So the first number will be 500. If you look at the place value of tens, it's in red color. I have shown you here. After 500, 510. Only the tens place value is changed. After 510, 520. After 520, 530. After 530, 540. After that, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590. After 590, you will get the answer 600. At the place value of tens, I have written 0, and at the 100 place, the number is 6 now. Right? Now let's move to the next one. Tens between 300 and 400. So let's start. 300. The place value of tens here is 0. So the next number will be 310, 320. After 320, 330, 340. What will come after 340? 350, right? After 350, 360, 370, 380, 390. After that, my answer will be 400. Look here, at the tens place value it is 0, and at the 100 place the number is 4. So your answer is 400. Now let's move to the next slide. Right, it is letters practice. So your first question is, you will find the tens between 400 and 500. Okay, so you have to find it out. And your second question is, you will find again the tens between 600 and 700. Fine, students? That's all for today. Thank you.